Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amabenza TV. It's the Colin Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by friend, my brother Ikama Wanu Pumawu.
Usandi, Wasa Richards Bay.
Utingim.
Hey, Natarish Boys.
Utingim.
Brother President Richards Bay.
Utingim.
Itangi show. More support Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Osukile nomuntu ofetshela umfana. Uthi namhlanje uzobuya unele noba. Oh, emsebenzini uhlutshwa uba.
Yeah.
More support Pirates unephi.
It's a mine!
Let him! Yeah. We Pirates, Sipati manage.
Yes.
Not to coach.
Yeah.
Also, hey, Usibo.
Yeah.
Usibo ngawalada lamakhona ephela lo.
Yeah.
Hayi bo.
Yeah.
Bamlezi msebenzi bathe 100 and money and hey. You. Kodwa iPirates.
Got the man of the match, Putin.
Hey boy, man of the match. Angiyazi iPirates ngoba bonke labafana benza amasimba.
Thank you for Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?